What's up, you guys? My name is Tia and welcome to my DIY channel, Urban Muse. And today, if you cannot tell from my pink sweater to the title of the video, clearly love's in the air. And so today we're going to DIY some trendy Instagrammable Valentine's Day gifts. Specifically, we're going to make a rose bear and a rose box. I asked my boyfriend for a rose bear this year and he thinks they're pretty cool, so I'm like, why not DIY him one? And then also show you guys some easy gift ideas that you can make at home. I got the materials off of Amazon, and so it wasn't too pricey, but you will take great pride in making this item for your significant other, for yourself, friend, or relative. And if you're ready for the video, then let's go. To begin project number 1, you'll need a round or square box, as well as some foam, ribbon, and faux roses. First, we're going to trim the floral foam so that it fits perfectly inside the box. And to do this, we're just going to place the box on top and then trace around the outside. Next, we're going to trim the corners. And I ended up using a butcher's knife because I didn't know that dry foam actually cuts really easy. So for you guys, I would suggest to use a long pair of scissors or even a butter knife. For this next part, we're now going to make our bow, and I just basically eyeballed how much ribbon I wanted. I usually add more than less just to be on the safe side. Basically, at this point, you're just going to adjust the bow to your liking and do some trimming. Now it's time to add the roses, and my advice would be to start with the perimeter first and then work your way to the center. Once you've added or feel like you've added enough flowers, I just arrange them a little bit just because you might find spots where you want to add more or just to reshape it.
One, two, three, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Alright, to make our rose bear, we need foam bear, as well as some fake roses, a glue gun, and some ribbon. Now that we got that covered, we can move on to adding flowers to our bear. Basically, you're going to hot glue the flowers down onto your bear and try to keep the flowers tight so you can cover up as much white space as possible. If you don't want to deal with the glue strings that comes with using a hot glue gun, you can also use E6000. Alright, you guys, we are almost done, so hang in there because we're about to add the finishing touches. Now I'm going to make the bow, and I didn't show you guys how I make the perfect bow. And so basically, just cut any amount of string that you want. And then next, you're going to wrap the right side and loop it under the left side. You'll then pull it tight and then form a loop with the left side of the ribbon. After that, you're going to wrap the right side around and pull it under to make your bow. Now that you have a nice flat bow, you can just adjust it to your liking. For my bow, I wanted to make sure that all the glittery sides were showing, so I did adjust mine just a bit. And to finish it off, I just trimmed the ends. This part right here is optional, but basically I folded the ends in half and then cut them at an angle to give them that extra bow look. Because this is one of the smaller bears, I ended up opting to put the bow by the ear instead of in front of the chest because there wasn't enough room. Now that she's all done, let's check her out. Alright you guys, now that I'm done making these Valentine's Day gifts, I'm super excited. My boyfriend always loves when I make him things, so I'm sure he'll love its bear. And then I'm going to give my flower box to my sister and probably make my mom a smaller one. In the comment section below, let me know if you like these ideas or even any Valentine's Day gift ideas that you have of your own, whether it's for yourself or for someone else. Also, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and then why not subscribe for more easy DIYs to become your own muse. Also, have a great Valentine's Day, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!